What's she looking at?
She's looking at you. Look at her. Okay, now sit across from her again. Oh, she was talking to you?
She said she's hot.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Oh, she said her mom is pretty cool. So you guys have a cool mom.
Are you taking a picture of me or her?
Okay, video of you guys.
Do you want to look at?
Hey, see if she'll talk to you.
Sit across and look from her. Look at her. See if she'll talk to you. She's gonna eat her hands.
Addie.
She wants to eat her hands.
It's like.
Oh gosh. Okay. Addie, say your name again though.
Hey.
Addie.
Yeah. Here to look at you.
Addie.
Addie, with your big sister. Look at
Belly
baby.
jam.
You gonna say something to her? Say.
Little belly
Yeah,
jam.
little like that.
Oh.
Oh, that's what you're gonna say?
She's like, nothing. They taped me. I want to watch.
It's still going.
Look at her and
Do you want to sit up and see if she'll talk to you some more? Hi, Addie. Hi, Livy. What's up, sister? What's up, sister? Wow.
I want to see that.